Simplicity wishes all its realtors and property owners, all my investors and project builders, developers, a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Look at this special gift we bring to you today. Simplicity has joined hands with R3 Interactive 3-dimension tours, virtual walkthroughs around your property, and this is the example. I'm showing you a sample of Mahindra's Aqua Lily project and actually going to show you how we can walk around the sample flat or your actual flat for which you want to rent out or which you want to sell. Now see this beautiful demo in this video. Hey man, this is amazing how you can walk around, turn yourself, go around all the 4 directions, click on one drop down menu, see the photos of all the rooms, click on the room that you want to go into and that room will load up. And now I'm loading one room from this sample flat. Now we are in the kitchen. I can walk you around the kitchen. You can walk yourself with the navigation keys or your finger on the touch screen. I'm taking you to another room. Now see how this room comes open. As we open the room, you are in this living room, and now you can click on a button and you can see the Google map, the directions, or you can see the floor plan dimensions of the whole entire flat as I'm seeing in the middle of the screen. And many features as they come on this screen I will show you. I can download as a visitor to their website. I can download the brochure. I can see the slideshow of all the photos by going back forward. So this is a photo slideshow also in part of this, and of course here is a video. If I want to run a video in the center of the screen and you can give a presentation, all the plus minus advantages of this property, as you will see the video loading up. Now this is amazing. It's a combination of virtual walkthrough, interactive means with your finger or navigation keys or mouse keys you can go into every room, turn around, go up down 360 degrees, check the directions of the room for Vastu reasons, zoom in and zoom out, yes, and see how I'm turning the room around. This is the actual room with the actual furniture. Maybe if it's your flat which you want to lease out, rent out. Most of the investors have big swanky properties, huge value properties, high value properties to lease out. Then they don't need to disturb the tenant if there is one, or arrange for the keys. Oh yes, you can share this on everything, on email, just a list of emails, or on Facebook or on Twitter, all the social media. Now see how I'm sharing this. The window opens, I type my name, email address of my friend, and there this virtual 360 interactive walkthrough will go to him. Now see the other features. Here it is. You can see video conference. You know what we do? We show this on a live broadcast. Your own, very own Talk Fusion live broadcast channel, unlimited audience from anywhere in the world can get together on video, 15 video on one time. Then you can be the presenter like Mr. Ravi Verma is presenting this conference, and in the conference you can see the list of attendees and you can see them on video. They can talk to you, you can talk to them. It's all happening live as if we have gathered in one room, in one hotel, in one seminar, in one convention. And you have a whiteboard. On that whiteboard you can show this interactive walkthrough as if these people who are present in this audience can actually walk around the property. Can you imagine? Now we don't need to do anything physically or personally. You don't have to take the car, go in the noise, pollution, traffic, waste petrol, time, energy. All this can be done digitally, virtually. It's a combination of two great technologies. One is Talk Fusion video broadcasting, video conferencing, where people can in real time live see the property that you wish to show to them, and they can walk around the property with the R3 interactive tool as well as discuss it. So if you like it, you can call me on my cell number. Yeah, it follows. Now the more beautiful, more exciting part of this technology. This kind of virtual walkthrough I can give on live broadcast to anybody, any number of people all across the world. This is the technology Talk Fusion is giving to you. So after you have presented on your own TV channel, interactive TV channel, people, billions of people from all across the world can get together wherever they be, and they can walk around the property on your live broadcast which you're showing, and they can go around and see the properties. They can discuss the property, whether they want to lease it or they want to sell it or they want to buy it, and people will in real time video can talk to each other, just like Mr. Ravi Verma and Mr. Mohanjit and my friends all are here on this broadcast and watching a presentation of this property. Would you like to do this? Just call us. My number is 9860151318. I repeat, +91 for India, then 9860151318. We are combining two great innovative technologies, one from Talk Fusion live broadcasting, where people can gather and discuss a property. They can actually walk around. You don't have to fly down, you don't have to travel to see the property, and you can move in and out of the rooms just as the one you saw. That you can do it virtually with an audience, and they can discuss, and everything happens virtually. Complete digital world we are moving into. I am Pankaj Sampath from Simplicity. I do real estate. I'm a member of National Association of Realtors. I have done several deals outright and leasing using these two technologies, and I invite you to call me to see a demonstration. Thank you very much, friends, and I look forward to using technology for our real estate work. And I wish you all a Merry Christmas, a very Happy New Year. Coming 2013, let's grab these amazing technologies which will enhance your business online using all the social media, all integrated with your website, blog, and virtual tours and live broadcasting conferences. Thank you.